What's in the menu in Sabay? Authentic Thai restaurant located at BGC. Ground floor Shangri-La the Fort.
So guys, this is the pad kapaw. Let's see if it's good. And this is it's like coconut with coconut milk. And this is, they don't have satay, so this is the one we have here. Basta sa akin to is maybe 9 out of 10. This one guys, is a coconut milk. When I was working in Thailand, we have a free lunch. It tastes like that. It's really like authentic Thai food. So guys, this is 9 out of 10. For me, for me. And this one is 10 out of 10. It tastes the same thing. This one is maybe 9 or 8. It's, I don't know if there's a Thai. I never tried this in Thailand. So guys, we finally made it here in Sabay. I recently followed them in TikTok. So, titry natin yung food nilang Thai. Yan, starter, small plates, plangkong pe. Hintay natin si Jay, nag-toilet lang siya. Flamins fish, Flamins fish, 750. So, yan. Tapos, meron sila mga salad, lakanon, tom tang, som tam thai, nunga. Nunga means, beef. Ayan, 990. Dito tayo sa pad kapaw. So, soup nila is torinji. Ito. Tikman ko na to before. Itong curries. Curries din sila. And tom kakay. Tom kakay. Tom yung kung. Kung means shrimp. Ito yung kung shrimp. Yeah, prawn. Tama. From the grill, kay opang. Pad pak bung. Hindi ko alam to mga to. Yung kalong pad niku. Basta yung mga niya, mga menu, basahin nyo na lang guys, may mga information naman dyan. May coconut dyan, baby. So guys, since this is the first time my husband buying meal for me, first time, so we need to pay more, 2,211 total. So yan, if you can see, I'm sharing my, this is 11 pesos. Without this, we cannot pay this meal right now. So yan, since malaki yung serving nila, mayroon tayong take out, dalawa. Our breakfast for tomorrow. So hit na lang natin yan.
Follow for more What's in the Menu vlogs. Thanks for watching.